Hi friends, welcome to diploma classes. We are completed model number 1, transformation of product and sums by integration, or integration by transformation of product and sums. Unit number 1, indefinite integration, revision classes. Previous videos I completed this formula 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. We solve some problems, and 2 cos A sin B is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. We solve some problems, and 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. We solve some problems, and 2 sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. We solve some problems, and the special thing, the two problems, integral sin A sin 2A sin 3A, product of sin A sin 2A sin 3A, integration we solved. And also I given homework this one, cos A cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x dx. I given the problem. It is any you are having any difficulty, please comment, and I will say this question also. Okay, now we are completed. This is the overview of the model number 1. Okay, now I will say particularly this topic now, briefly explain and give some questions I written here. You are seeing now. Okay, now I am explaining. See, you have to remember for this. Okay, for this formula 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin what is the formula of 2 sin A cos B? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Then the questions will be like this: first sin and cos, sin and cos, sin and cos, sin and cos, sin and cos. Now see, now I will read the questions to understand you clearly. Integral sin 6x cos 2x dx, integral sin 8x cos 3x dx, and next one, integral sin 7x cos 5x dx, integral sin 5x cos 2x dx, integral sin 7x cos 3x dx, integral sin 5x cos 3x dx, integral sin 2x cos 3x dx, integral sin 3x cos 3x dx, integral sin 5x cos 7x dx. This all problems is related to this formula. What the formula? 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin A minus B plus cos sin A minus B plus sin A sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Okay, now this one, next formula is 2 cos A sin B is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Now I written some questions here. Integral cos 5x sin 7x dx, integral cos 7x sin 2x dx, integral cos 5x sin 3x dx, integral cos 4x sin 2x dx, integral cos 13x sin 8x dx, integral cos 3x sin x dx, integral cos 7x sin 5x dx, integral cos 4x sin 7x dx. These all questions is related to the formula, and we come for this formula to 2 causes unnappudu we come from this formula 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. We have the questions regarding to that one. See, it is looking the formula cos 2 causes here, sin cos, and here cos sin. Okay, see, we should have to remember like this. Okay, now I will read these questions. Okay, 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is the formula, and the questions will be like this. Okay, integral cos 3x cos 2x dx, integral cos 7x cos 2x dx, integral cos 3x cos 2x dx, integral cos x cos 2x dx. Okay, integral cos 4x cos 2x dx. Okay, and I am going to next formula. Now 2 sines, this is 2 coses and this is 2 sines, and the formula is same. It is in the term of 2 coses are in term of cos terms, and 2 sine also it is in the term of terms of coses. Okay, now I will read this one, and the questions will be like this. Integral sin 2x sin 4x dx, integral sin 7x sin 2x dx, integral sin 8x sin 4x dx, integral sin 5x sin x dx, then integral sin 7x and sin 5x dx. These are the 4 formulas and the problems regarding to the model number 1. And last but not least, we have here 2 formulas are there now, and we will solve 2 questions. Integral sin x into sin 2x sin 3x dx is the one question, and integral cos x cos 2x cos 3x dx is another question, by using of 2 formulas, 2 coses and 2 sines. Now 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Another one 2 sin A, 2 sines unnappudu 2 sin A sin B is equal to sin A minus B minus sin A plus B. These 2 formulas we use for solving these 2 questions. This is the overall view of model number 1 in the unit number 1. Thank you for listening my classes and giving support. Viewers are 1.7k viewers we reached, and watching time of videos are shorts. It is approximately 2.3 hours you are watching. Thank you. Support me, and if it is any you are not understanding, please comment in the chat box. Okay, thank you for listening. Please share my YouTube channel to your friends, relatives, family members. These videos are very important for diploma students as well as intermediate to be last 3 lessons. Thank you.